Hello, my name is Scott with Sean's Photography, and today we are going to show you how to use one of my cutters. So here we are in Zbrush. You can do this in Mesh Mixer, but today we're going to do this in Zbrush. Here we have our base, our cutter, and a lid. Today we are going to make a battery tray inside this base, so we can house batteries. Let's rotate this to the bottom. All right. So let's start out with our base. And again, here's our cutter. And here's our lid. We're going to go up here and we're going to put an eye, turn it on. And we're going to turn an eye on the cutter. All right. We're going to make sure live Boolean is turned on, which is right here. And then we're going to go over here and click this next switch, and that will remove the space from this base. That's why it's called a cutter. So it's cutting out this space of this base. So now we go to make Boolean mesh, and we're going to click on that button, and we are done. That's how simple and easy it is to use a cutter. Now we'll just turn those off. We'll go to our lid, and then we're going to go to amend, and we're going to put this in here. And now when we look at it, our cutter has done its job, and add our lid to it. And now we have our battery tray inside this base. Again, this is how you use one of my cutters in Zbrush. Again, can be used in Zbrush or Mesh Mixer, but I find it a lot faster and easier to do it in Zbrush. Again, my name is Scott with Sean's Photography, and thank you for watching.